In this tutorial, I'll show the steps to create a real estate email signature with a logo and banner. In the first step, choose a pre-created email signature template. For our example, I'll choose this 480px wide template with a logo on the right side. In the header, add the realtor information, for example, name and position. Now add the real estate logo and save it so you don't lose the information. Next, add contact information like phone, email, company website, and address. Finally, add a banner for a property offer or promotion at the footer. Click to save the information. You can send a test by email or clone the item to create another similar signature with the email signature created. Click the Paste an Email button to send the signature to the realtor. You can manually paste it into the email client or use ByBrand's integrations to send the email signature to the user.